Hey there friend, come gather near. Paula's crafty corner's here. Diamond dots and yarn so bright. Crafts and walks in Irish light. By the loud where breezes sing, latch hooks dance and new crafts spring. Every beat and loop's a smile. Stay and craft with me a while. Welcome to Paula's Crafty Corner, where the lake winds laugh and wander. Northern Ireland.
Hi guys, it's Paula, and if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. If you're returning, as always, welcome back. So today I have a craft buddy unboxing for you. I'm filming this on Thursday evening. I haven't long got home from Dad's. My brother's there with him at the minute, but I got this. I think it arrived at the start of the week, I think, or was it last week? Do you know all the days and weeks are running into each other at the minute? I don't know if I'm coming or going, but I got 3 items. They were doing another one of those interactive lives that they've started doing where they'll show you the new product and say this is shop A, product A. You type into the comments shop A and Craft Buddy will automatically add it to your cart. So when you're finished, you can check out during the live, or you can wait till it's over. They'll send you a message to your either your Instagram or your Facebook messenger, and with the direct link so you can check out. So they got me again. Now these were gifts. I'd got a bit of money for Easter, so decided I would treat myself. Now these came in the big, you know, the big Craft Buddy white box, branded there, and this one and this one also came in. They were in boxes like this as well. So the first one, now I'm going to show you the non-diamond painting item first, which is, did I open this? I did. Which is a Wreath Kit. You can see it's called Romantic Roses. You know, that's what it's going to look like when I get it made up. Now this is actually, I'm making this up for my mom's grave. I have one on it at the minute. It's been on it for maybe 2.5 years now, and it's starting to fade quite a bit. So I'm going to make this one and I'm going to put it on. It's called Romantic Heart Wreath Kit. So it shows you there the way you're going to make it up first, and then it gives you the kit contents. You make the flowers, shows you how to make the flowers there yourself here. There's peonies there, and there's like roses and hydrangea as well there. You can see that, the hydrangea. Those are the small flower Colleen bloom, those ones. Those are your peonies, and then you have the roses. So I'm making them up myself, but if you see here, they give you all the components in the kit. Now I don't have it sitting there, do you? I spray this stuff, Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear. When I get the wreath made up, I'll spray this all over it, and it helps protect and seal it against the weather. Now with all the storms, rain and everything else we've had, the wreath never moved off my mum's grave. My uncle had it, he had this bit, which is the wreath bit. He had this anchored down with like stones on the top of it, and then I had glued all the flowers into the slots so nothing came out. But you get a bit of room here. that's the first, or that's the heart shape wreath. Now I'm just going to be putting all the parts. Oh, this one's hanging off there. Do you see that? Oh, I'll have to cover that, or maybe see if I can stick that back down. These is where you're going to stick the flowers and all the attachments on, which I will glue when making it all up. But that's the wreath part of it. These are all your, as you can see, they're all the petals are all pre-cut. Sorry for the crinkling, but where's the opening? There's the opening right now. Now these ones, the pink ones, these are all to make up the peony. These ones. You have the pink and you have the red colour. And it gives you, well, it tells you in the instructions, and I'll maybe do a video on it, how I put these flowers together and show you, but the petals come pre-cut, which is handy, as you can see. And then you get all the little attachments. These are for the peonies, the bigger flowers, and these are for the smaller ones, like the roses and the hydrangea. As I say, I will show you how to put these together. And then you have, this goes in the bottom of the flower. So these small ones here are going to go for the, what did I say it was? The bloom flowers. So it comes with absolutely everything you need to make up these flowers. So that's that, and you get the tool for making it. I could just show you that. This, oh, is there, where's the wee green? Where's the wee green? I'll show you. Sorry for all this crinkling today. Hold on, I'll pause you, see if you're listening to all that crinkling. Yes, I find them. What you do is you get one of these, see those green? There's a hole there in the bottom, so you put that, goes on this tool, and then you put, if you're saying making up the peonies, you go by your instructions, which is here, it tells you what components, what to put on. So you put 2 A's, which is this one, you put those on to it, and then you put one of those white ones, and then you put a couple of more petals, and then you put the bigger one on. Now this all goes in this tool, and then at the end you put one of these on, and this goes on the bottom of it, and then you just pull the flower off. It is really easy to do. I can do it, anybody can do it. But as I say, I will do a video and show you how I put the flowers together before I make up the wreath, just so you can see how easy it is. So then we get our leaves, which tells you here what to put on, first. So we're going to put the roses and the peonies on first, and then you put the green stems in, and then you add in the roses and the rest of the flowers to the wreath. But as I say, I will show you when I get it all done. So I'm going to pause you and put this all back in. Oh, let me show you these. These are for making up the hydrangea. These are the stems that you put the flowers and that on to make the hydrangeas, and there's a couple of wee parts to it as well. And then these are for making these. You just attach the wee flower on top. I will show you how to do it when I get round to it. Right, sorry I paused you there while I put them all back in because that's very, very crinkly. I'm sure you didn't want to listen to that. Now, I know I didn't really show that off too well. I am really exhausted tonight. I shouldn't really probably be doing the video. I'll probably be a hot mess, but anyhow, I will do a video and I'll show you how I make up all these flowers, just to show you, because I haven't actually showed you how I make my wreaths yet, I don't think. No, I haven't, but I will show you how I make up the flowers, the peonies and everything, and then I'll put it on the wreath and I'll let you see it. But as I say, that's what it's hopefully going to look like. You can see the pink and the red peonies and the roses. I have a lot of, if I can put you up a wee bit. Right, this is definitely a hot mess video because I just, when I was tilting you up there, I turned it off. You can see all my wreaths here. I have one sort of for every occasion there. There's the one that I just took off. That's the winter one on top, the white one. And I have Halloween. I have Christmas, I have a spring one, and I have one like a summer one as well. It's down the stairs at the minute. I haven't actually put the spring one up yet, but that's my wreath. I did it again. This video, I don't know. If it's really bad, I'm not going to put it up. I keep doing everything wrong. But that's the Wreath Kit. So the Craft Buddies, it comes part of their Forever Flower range, which I love. I always get my wreaths from them and my flowers. They're really, you know, they're good quality. And as I say, it's the other one has been on my mum's grave for over 2.5 years now. So that's that. I will show you this one. Is the hanging decorations. It's actually a set of 2. So we get the lovely hummingbird and we get the butterfly. Now these are hanging pendants. Now I will put the prices up on the screen for you because I just honestly I can't remember. But I love the way they do their packaging, Craft Buddy. On the back it just gives you the kit contents and how to diamond paint. And then it gives you their socials there, and there's a code or a, my mind's went blank. Scan there, it'll take you to a video which shows you like all different ideas on how to use your spare crystals, which is a good idea. So let's get into that. Is this, oh, there's sellotape on it. Well, I hope you guys are all doing a lot better than I am. As I say, because I'm down and Dad's all, well, usually be down from about 8:30 and I would be home. Well, depending on how Daddy is and what time my brother gets in at, I'll be there till about 6 maybe. And then he would stay overnight, but then I stay overnight at weekends to give him a break. Right. So let's get into this, see what all we get. As you can see, they're all crystals. And we have our 2 chain, which is actually a nice chain. We get 2 of those. Oops, they're hanging loose, so I'll maybe put them in along with the drills here so I don't lose them. The Craft Buddies 2 kit, you get a white boat, you get baggies, a plate of wax, and you get their branded crystal art pen with the 3 bracer on it. You get the leaflet, again tells you the kit contents and what's in it. Gives you how to diamond paint in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different languages, and then in the back it gives you some of their other products. Sunflowers are very pretty. Now this is an Anne Stokes one. Craft Body do licensed art. They have a Disney Marvel license. They have Anne Stokes, Rachel Freud. They had Thomas Kincaid, and a few I can't remember anymore, the rest of them, but they're all licensed. And they do the crystal art buddies as well, and keychains. So that's the leaflet, and this is our legend. Now you can see all these colours, you know, it's not divided into two. All the colours are for both, and you can see there are 30 all together. And if you look here, you can see the marquee there at the bottom, and we have more marquees over here, and teardrops and round for their special drills. So let's get a look at the first one, which is this lovely hummingbird. Now, oh, I didn't realise this is actually two double-sided, so that is actually going to be quite a bit of work, but that is going to be in the crystals. That is going to be so sparkly. Now look at all the rainbow colours. Give you a close-up of the well, it's all numbers. Then you're going to have your special drills here. I'll just check the stick if I can get it to come up without ripping it here. Oh, I don't want to pull that and rip it, but the bit that I have up here is sticky. Here, let's see if I can lift it from this end. That's better. Oh, that's very sticky. I can lift that up with my finger. That is very sticky. And you can see the two holes here where the chain is just going to attach on there at either side. But I really love this one. Look how colourful that is. And I love the fact that it's actually double-sided. Tilt you up a wee bit, you maybe see it better. Sorry about the glare. Isn't that lovely? So that's that one. And then we have the very pretty butterfly, the little butterfly at the top. And all the colours you can see here, this is all going to be special drills, but the looks of it right the whole way round there at each side, right the whole way up. Again, if you can see that, there's that. Do you know, I can't even see if that's blurry because my own eyes are that tired. I'm just seeing a blur there on the screen. And this one again is double-sided. But look at those colours, isn't that gorgeous? I'll just check the stick on this one. I don't want to rip that there. But again, yes, I can lift that up with my finger, so that's pretty sticky. Craft Buddy products all tend to be right and sticky. I haven't had one that hasn't been yet. I really like that one. The butterflies and the flowers. So let's get a look at these drills. They come in the train. So I never get these back in again. Oh well. We have beautiful reds there, pinks, more bright reds, lots of pink. We have gold, yellows, we have green, we have blues. That's a lovely shade of green. It's like a greeny blue in the camera. We have more blues. More blues. Dark blues. That's a very, very dark blue there. We have, it's like a reddy, pinky reddy colour. We have oranges. And we have that's just a plain resin black. We have two of those. And we have the lovely purple and the turquoise. So that's the crystals. Then we have these lovely faceted rounds. We have the red teardrops. We have these smaller. That's a gorgeous shade of blue. Teardrops. We have the, oh no, I was going to say they're claws teardrops, but they're actually rounds, blue rounds. We have these long gold like shards. We have lovely blue. They're faceted, they are marquees. And we have, I love these ones. Can you see the coating on that? It's an airy coating on it. You see the oranges and the purples coming off those. So let's just see where, now on this one, 29 is the red teardrops is going here, and the red round there at the end is going here, and you have the red rounds up there, more here. The 27 is the blue, is going here in this one. Any up there? Nope. The 25 is these ones, the blue marquees are all going here. No, they're 24s. Nope, 24 is these ones. Those fairy coloured ones are here. There's one here, and there's some just scattered all over here throughout there. So that's that one. And the butterfly, the 27. These blue, like pearl rounds are going the whole way right round, as I say, right round the butterfly, tight line it. 25 was again is the blue marquees, is going all along here and right down and along and the whole way up here. So that's those. And then you have the 30, which is the big red ones, faceted ones, for the middle of the flowers. So that's those. So I will pause you rather than let you listen to all the crinkling, and I'll be back with the last one. Right, I'm back. So the last thing I got was this flutter pop, it's called, butterfly canvas. It is a full crystal and it's a 40 by 50 centimeter, and it's on the canvas frame. So the front tells you how to diamond paint there, and it's the same again on the back, how to diamond paint in all the different languages. So now it does have a handle on it. Reminds me of another company that has a handle on theirs. I don't mind these. It's handy if you want to bring them somewhere, I suppose, but they don't annoy me, the handles. Right, so there's sellotape in this one too, there is. This is going to be a long video, sorry guys. You can fast forward each three if you want, just to have a look at what it is. Because this is definitely a hot mess of a video today. Right, let's get this one out. So everything is in the back of it. As you can see here. And well, I need to take it out of this to check the stick. So we get another one of these leaflets which we'll just stick back in the box there. We get our drills, which are not crystals, they are full drill, but there's some ABs there, as you can see, and there's a special drills there. We get more baggies in this one than we did in the other one, and we have our legend here. So that's what that's what the image is, and that's the pasting area, what we're going to drill. So there are 20 colours in this one, and there is the marquee there. You can see it's all letters. Now they're not in any, oh, they are in order, excuse me. Can't see. They are in alpha order, as you can see there, but I didn't. Now you can see this one. It's stapled onto a wooden canvas frame. Now it says there, I don't know how I can show you that, but it does say an officially licensed product from Crafty, and it just gives you the size there and the item number. But this is, are we upside down? No, this way. This is what the image is. If I go back a bit, you'll maybe be able to see it. We have this lovely butterfly sitting in among the flowers. Now it is full drill. Now the thing that I like about Craft Buddy as well is not everything is in straight lines. You can see it's all, see the way it's all wavy in parts, which gives an awful lot more detail and definition to the painting. But we shall check the stick. I should have no problem getting this one up. Oh yeah, that's very, you can hear that, it's very sticky. I'll show you the drill field there if you can see it. You see the way it's wavy there? This one's going to look really pretty when I get it done. It's very colourful. You can see the butterfly there, and I'll just stick that. You can see where the special drills are going to go there on the butterfly. So that's that one. So I'll just get it, and I'm not going to open these because I think I've took up enough of your time, but you can see there, you can see all the reds there, there's navy, there's the purples, and then you have all the pinks on the back. And you're like, Paula, I thought you didn't like pink. Well, I don't really, but I don't mind it in a painting like this, as long as it's not all pink. And then we have more pink here. We have your blues and your green. Now this here is actually an AB. Can you see that? Does it say it's an AB on the legend? It's 2. It does, yeah. There. AB. And where was those faceted fairy ones again, as I call them. I'm going to go right round the butterfly, but that's our colours on this one. So I'll give you another look at it. Now I am going to hang this one up when I get it completed. Maybe out here, out in the hall here, upstairs, or else downstairs hall 102, but I am going to hang this one up when I get it completed. So that's my butterfly, or flutter pop, is it it's called? Is that what it was called? Yeah, flutter pop. So I'll just stick those back in there again so we don't, or so I don't lose them. If you see me sticking this to the front of it here, which I am doing. Sorry for the crinkling. So that's our, I'll put it back in. That's our water pop butterfly. We then had the two hanging pendants, the gorgeous hummingbird and the butterfly, which are double-sided. And then we had our wreath kit, which is going to look like that, hopefully. Now, I know I didn't show you this that much, but I will do a video showing you how to put these flowers together, and then I will show you putting it on the wreath, because I need to get it up soon. I'm waiting. We have had nothing but rainy weather as usual over here this past while, so I'm waiting for like the warmer weather. Once I get the flowers made up, it'll not take me long making it all up, and I will show you what it's like. So guys, that is my very hot mess video for this evening. I don't know many parts to it there is, because I kept hitting the wrong button and it went off. But if you do like it, or even feel sorry for me because it's a hot mess, please consider giving me a like on your way out, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. So I'm going to go downstairs and lay up on the recliner and rest up. I'm going to go and see what Rocco's doing, because I think actually he's waiting outside the door here because I closed it on him so he couldn't get in. So guys, you all take care, and I promise the next video will be a lot better. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye.
Subscribe, like and share. Come back again to Paula's Crafty Corners home, where my home is always open. Crafts and wonder, love is shown. Thanks for visiting, my friends. Until next time, God bless, keep safe. Northern Ireland, heart and hand.